Hi everyone and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have a couple of wireless chargers from Olixar and we'll be unboxing and having a look at them. Let's start with the first one. So this one is a stand type wireless charger. This is 10 watt wireless charging stand with a cooling fan. So this is going to keep your phone cool while it's wireless charging. So the wireless charger is Qi-based wireless charger. It's a standard wireless charger which goes with any Qi supported device. So it's going to work with your Samsungs and Apple iPhones. Output is 10 watts. It's wireless charger, super fast. There is a built-in cooling fan. It's going to keep your phone cool, and it also improves your wireless charging speed if the device is cool. And secondly, you can position it vertically or horizontally. It's a similar kind of stuff on the side. There are features. It has up to 10 watt fast wireless charging, LED indicator, premium components, built-in fan, and yeah, there are other information here. And if you look at the second one, so this one is a standard charging pad. The output is same, both are 10 watt, but that one is stand based and this one is a standard charging pad. Both support fast wireless charging, and this one is ultra slim and lightweight, so you can carry it with you. So on the side, once again, similar kind of things, super fast, ultra slim and lightweight. On the back, specs, once again, it also has LED indicator, it has non-slip design, compatible with wireless charging compatible devices. So any device that supports Qi wireless charging, you can use this wireless charger with it. So your Samsung devices, Apple devices, and some other brands like your LGs, OnePlus, they are going to work fine with this. So without any further delay, let's open the packing and see what we have got inside. Looking inside the box, the first thing is your simple micro USB cable, and you have got the stand. So looking closely at the charger, it is made up of plastic and rubber. This part, the base of the stand where your phone is going to sit, this is all rubber, and this is all plastic from front and from back. So these are the vents to pull in air, and these are the vents from where it's going to push out the air onto your phone's back. So overall the build quality is very nice. It is looking premium, very nice plastic, and it's not very heavy, it's quite lightweight. So this is the USB cable that is supplied along with the charger. This is a standard micro USB cable. So this is USB 2, it's not USB-C if you were expecting. And this is where you're going to connect the cable. And this end goes to your computer or your charging brick. Now let's unbox the second one, charging pad. So inside, the first thing we get is your micro USB cable. Then this is your wireless charging pad itself, and a user manual. That's it. Let's have a look at the charging pad itself. This is made up of plastic. Olixar branding. Materials used are very good. They are of very good quality. The plastic doesn't look cheap at all. LED indicator on your charger turns blue when you connect it to a power source, and then it turns off. This indicates that your wireless charger is now ready to charge your devices. LED indicator turns green when it's charging your device. Good thing about the cooling fan is that it automatically turns on when it's charging and automatically turns off when it's not charging. You can also charge your phone in horizontal orientation. We also tried charging wireless earbuds, but it didn't work. We also tried charging smartwatch. This was Samsung Galaxy Watch, but it didn't charge. LED indicator on your charging pad blinks blue when you connect it to a power source. It turns red, indicating that it is now ready to charge your mobile phone. LED turns blue when it is charging. This wireless charging pad was successfully able to charge the wireless earbuds. However, it didn't work with Samsung Galaxy Watch. To summarize, I liked both chargers, and especially I found a wireless charging pad to be more useful because it was able to charge my wireless earbuds as well as mobile phone. Charging times were also very good and decent on both devices. That's it for today. Please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel, and I'll see you again with a new video. Goodbye.